Hi guys, welcome to Autosheer India. Today we will let you know about the things that should never be left in the car. For some people, their car is not only used for transportation but also to store their personal belongings. While it's perfectly fine to leave a few important items in your car, others should be kept at home. Water bottles. Believe it or not, one of the potentially dangerous items you can leave in your car are plastic water bottles. If you leave a water bottle in your car for too long, there's a chance that BPA can leak into the water, a chemical believed to cause cancer. Even if it's not especially hot out, it's best to avoid drinking from a water bottle that has been sitting in your car for a long time. Medication. As you are probably already aware, many medications are meant to be stored at room temperature. Therefore, it's not a great idea to leave it in a hot vehicle for an extended period of time. If the medication sits out for too long in hot temperatures, the potency of the drug can greatly decrease and negatively alter its effectiveness. Sunscreen. Like medication, sunscreen can lose its effectiveness if it's left out in the heat for too long. Hot temperatures could also cause the bottle to explode, creating a mess that no one wants to clean up. Hey guys, before we move on with the video, please smash the like button below. It motivates content creators like us to keep going. Glasses. You could be in for quite the surprise if you leave your glasses in your car for too long, particularly if you leave them sitting on a hot dashboard. If they are left in the sun for an extended period of time, the heat will likely make them too hot to wear. If you are unfortunate enough, the sun rays could even warp the frames. It should go without saying, but you should always leave your glasses on your head. Personal belongings. Always take any personal belongings with you when you leave your vehicle. This means taking your wallet, cell phone, keys and passport when you exit your car. Even if your belongings aren't left out in the open, a potential thief likely won't have a difficult time finding them. Simply put, you should either take your belongings with you or leave them at home. Lighters. They may seem harmless given their small size, but lighters can present a significant fire hazard if left in your vehicle on a hot day. In general, it's a good idea to keep flammable liquids away from your vehicle, especially during the summer. Aerosol cans. Cans of deodorant, hairspray or spray paint can all expand in extreme temperatures, potentially creating a full-on explosion if they are left in the hot or cold weather for too long. If you want to be safe, leave the hygiene products in your bathroom. Crayons might keep the kids entertained on long car rides, but these art supplies will melt and stain your seats as outside temperatures climb. So unless you want the inside of your car to look like a Jackson Pollock painting, you should always double check that the crayons have been safely stored somewhere in the house after every use. Flashlights. If your flashlight is battery powered, then you should avoid storing it anywhere in your car. When exposed to high temperature, batteries can leak and lose power, making them unusable. Chewing gums. If you're worried about having a fresh breath on the road, then opt for a tin of mints over a pack of gum. When left out in the sun, gum becomes gooey and sticks to everything, and in the winter it becomes frozen solid, rendering it flavorless and dangerous to your teeth. Cosmetic items. Quality cosmetics are pretty expensive, so it's especially important to make sure that you treat them well and get the most out of them as possible. And while keeping a spare of lipstick or tube of mascara in the car makes it convenient to gussy up on the go, the temperature of the car can melt or freeze the pricey products. Wet clothing isn't going to dry if left in the car. Instead, these damp items will become moldy and breed bacteria, which can potentially cause an infection when worn again. Groceries. According to the Department of Agriculture, leaving food out on an unsafe temperature is one of the leading causes of foodborne illness. To ensure that perishable groceries are safe for consumption, the department recommends leaving your food out in temperatures above 40 degrees Fahrenheit for no longer than 2 hours or just 1 hour when the temperature is above 90 degrees Fahrenheit. Electronics. You would never dream of leaving your home without your smartphone, so why risk leaving it in a hot car? Many phone manufacturers list optimal temperature windows and specifically warn against leaving your device in your car, where it might shut down or start to suffer damage. So that is it guys. To get endless content related to automobiles, press the bell icon below and subscribe to Autosheer India.